Hello.
Sorry po. Hindi kasya na.
주행을 시작하세요. 전방에 신호 위반 단속 카메라가 있습니다.
Yo, we're going here?
Yeah.
야, 그런데 저는 한국 사람입니다. Korea here, Korea.
What?
Korea here.
Korea, okay.
Yeah,
It's
Korea.
okay. It's okay.
안녕하세요.
Yeah, 안녕하세요. Yeah.
사랑해.
You watching K-drama?
Yes. 네.
Oh, wow, you speak Korean also? Oh, wow. 야, 조금 했어? 야, 조금.
좌회전입니다. 그리고 우회전입니다.
Yeah, first time countered Korean drama?
Yeah.
학생이에요, student? You student? 학생이에요? Student?
Student.
Yes.
Oh, where you study?
Batangas.
Oh, not
We're
here in
Yeah, not here in Metro Manila.
province?
Province, yeah.
What is school?
Batangas State University.
Oh, why are you here in Manila?
Our internship on the job training.
Can I ask a favor?
Yeah. What is it?
Actually, I want to learn more Tagalog, but yeah, 조금 알았어. Very hard. You teach me Tagalog.
Kasi meron siya ng Tagalog.
Tagalog.
You say mahal kita.
Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka means how are you? Kumusta ka.
Kumusta ka? What is it?
How are you?
How are you? 잘 지냈어요? In Korea 잘 지냈어요? How are you?
Ayos ka lang. Gwenchana.
오, 괜찮아. What is it? 괜찮아?
Gwenchana is...
200m 앞에서
진짜?
Okay lang. Okay lang.
Ayos lang.
Ayos lang. Ayos lang.
아이스 랑.
Ayos lang.
아이스 랑. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아.
진짜?
와.
How long have you been here in Manila?
2 years, yeah, 2 years. Yeah. 2 years. Two. But you, Tagalog, kunti. Yes, salamat po.
Salamat.
예, salamat po.
Kamsahamnida.
오, 예, 감사합니다.
Nag-training. I love Korea.
Oh, you love Korea? Wow.
We love Korean foods.
Wow.
I love...
Yeah, samgyup, maybe
Yeah.
you like samgyup. Yeah, only rice,
Yes.
Filipino love to eat only
I
rice.
love chicken.
Yeah, chicken. Ooh,
Chicken.
yeah.
Korean barbecue.
Korean barbecue.
You've been Korea? You've been Korea?
No,
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh, yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, soon you visit in my country. Yeah, very beautiful.
One of our bucket list.
Yeah, 그런데 이름이에요? What is your name?
Ariana.
Ariana and
And introduce yourself.
K.
and
Clyde.
Clyde and
Daniela.
Daniela and
Jessa.
반갑습니다. Yeah, 반갑습니다.
Why did you choose to work here in the Philippines?
Actually, I'm looking here for business. Yeah, I want to build here business here. And I found it that Filipino are friendly people.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're very hospitable.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Yeah,
too.
just call me my first name. Ale.
Ali.
Yeah, Ale.
Hale.
Ale.
Is that your Korean name?
Yeah, Korean name. I have a Philippine name and I have a Korean name.
Nice.
What's your...
What's What's your Filipino name?
In the up. It's hard.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's hard to pronounce, but
Who chose that name?
the Philippine government. Yeah. They put that you. I like this name. Yeah. Then I choose that name.
Ah,
Okay. Do you have any family here in the Philippines?
No, only friend.
You're so brave.
you're so brave.
Yeah, of course. I'm brave.
Natapos
Yeah.
ba? Malakas ba?
Alay is my
In Tagalog is matapang.
mata.
Matapang.
Matapang. Alay is my first name. Yeah, Alay. My last name is Punga.
Funga.
Yeah, Punga.
Funga.
Yeah, Punga.
Okay, Alay Fu.
Yeah, Alay. My full name.
Alay.
Alay
Alay Funga.
Punga.
Funga.
Yeah, Alay Punga. But actually, I'm originally from North.
North Korea.
Yeah.
How's your life there?
Where?
North
In
Korea.
Very, very hard there. Yeah.
I watched the Korean movie, Hijack. It's, ano nga yun?
Yeah.
And pinakita dun yung view ng North Korea eh.
Yeah.
Glimpse of North Korea.
Oh, you watch it?
It's,
When I was young, I escaped North. When I was 10
yung
years
ano
old.
din, yung
Yeah, 10 years
Escape.
old.
Korean
Oh,
movie
you watching Escape?
Yeah, I watched it already.
Very hard to live there.
Don't
No
listen.
music, no cell phone.
Cellphone.
Yeah.
No rice cooker. When you listen to music there, you will go to die.
Yeah. That's why I'm brave. Yeah, I told you I'm brave.
Yeah.
We're so proud of
Matapang.
you.
Yeah, what?
Matapang.
Matapang. Yeah, 좋아요.
Your car is so beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So nice.
Wow,
nice.
좋아요.
So updated.
Oh, yeah.
So clean, so good.
Yeah, 괜찮아요. Yeah. Were you?
We hope that Filipino treat you well.
Yeah. Filipino friendly people. Yeah,
Yeah,
very friendly people. Maba. Yeah.
I thought mabaho.
Yeah.
No.
That's different.
Maba.
Mabaho is stinky.
Stinky. Yeah, smelly.
Where?
King 50 ka.
We're gonna...
Here?
Yeah, there.
Hey?
Yeah.
We hope to meet you again.
Yes.
Have a safe ride.
Ay, hindi.
Dito na tayo. Dito na tayo.
Oh, yeah!
Gusto mo ba vlog kami? Vlog mo kami?
Alay po. Kayo yun, napanood ko.
Hoy!
Sa Facebook. Ay, napanood kita.
Talaga?
Oh my God! So good! Hi, kuya!
Ay, kuya.
Kaway sa camera.
Wait, upload mo yan?
Ha?
Upload mo yan?
Hingi ako sa inyo ng...
Nagko-Korean po talaga kayo?
Nice.
Nagko-Korean po talaga kayo?
Oh my God!
Yung salita? Oh, kunti lang.
Yan ang paniwala
Matapang.
Tapang na.
Kuya, kinabahan ako galing ka North Korea. Nice.
Yung dalawa sa likod, tawa ng tawa, alay. Alay po.
Kami tawa ng tawa, alay po nga. Hindi ko na.
Ayoko na po yan.
Ha?
Hindi ko po napansin
Hindi
talaga.
napansin, no? Yung dalawa sa likod.
Ay, napanood ka ako sa Facebook.
Ano siya?
Ay, talaga?
Facebook mo tayo na.
Sige po, thank you po.
Wait lang.
Ay,
So, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media account?
Okay lang.
So, yan, baka may shoutout kayo. Yan, pwede kayo
yung
mag-shoutout.
ating school.
Oh, yung school nyo. Yung school, dali.
Batangas State University Arasoft Campus.
Ayun,
Si Madam Ta. Hello po.
Madam Ta, naiwan.
Yan. Wait lang, bibigyan ko kayo ng sticker, no?
Akala po namin nakamit na kami ng Koreano talaga. Ang galing niyo naman po.
My God.
Thank
Ay,
you so much.
Thank you po.
Yan. Nakakas kayo?
Opo, kas po.
It's a free ride.
Talaga.
Okay lang po.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay lang, it's a free ride kasi nag-content lang ako.
Tunay po.
So, yun, it's a free ride, no?
Thank
Ayan,
you.
thank you, ha. You're welcome.
Yung picture tayo.
Pwede. Kinakabahan nga ako kayo na sabi ko, sana mag-success to.
Success naman.
Success si Ali po nga. Yan.
Thank you so much po.
Ingat kayo, ha.
Mag-ingat po kayo. Hi guys, subscribe.
Subscribe po.
Bye-bye po.
Don't forget to sleep
More
yet.
pranks po.
Yes, of course.
Thank you po. Ingat po.
Good luck in North Korea.
Good luck sa North Korea.
Thank you po,
Ingat
sir.
kayo, ingat.
Ang papa ko po, grab din. Naggagrab.
Ay, talaga? Hanggang ngayon?
Apo. 8 years.
Ay, share mo yung video, ipakita mo sa kanya. ha?
Apo, thank you po.
Sige. Yun! Bye-bye! Yes! At ang babait na mga taga Batangas, no? Akala ko, mabubuking na ako kanina. Parang may pinapakitang cellphone na ganun, nagaganon sila. Baka yung vlogger. Ganun, di ba? So, it's Don Bertos TV na nabibiktima na naman dito sa Kamay Nilaan na laging nagsasabing I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great pretender. Hanap tayo ng next victim. Yeah, let's go.